Homeowners associations, or HOAs, play an important role in maintaining the beauty, safety, and property values of residential communities. But what happens when some homeowners refuse to follow the rules? Non-compliant homeowners present real challenges to HOA boards and the community as a whole. Some of the most common issues include failure to maintain property appearance. Unmowed lawns, peeling paint, or unauthorized home modifications can quickly impact a neighborhood's visual appeal. Ignoring architectural guidelines, homeowners making exterior changes without approval, like adding structures, fences, or unapproved paint colors, can disrupt uniformity and cause disputes. Parking violations, unauthorized street parking, RV storage and use, or blocking emergency access points can create safety hazards and tensions. Failure to pay dues or assessments. When homeowners neglect their financial obligations, it strains the HOA's ability to maintain shared amenities, landscaping, and essential services. Noise complaints and disruptive behavior, loud parties, aggressive pets, or habitual disturbances can affect neighborhood peace and lead to repeated complaints. Dealing with these issues isn't always easy. HOA boards are tasked with enforcing rules fairly while preserving positive relationships within the community. HOAs typically use a range of tools to address non-compliance: written warnings, fines and penalties, legal action for chronic violations, and even liens or foreclosure proceedings in severe cases. Most homeowners want to be good neighbors. Open communication, clear guidelines, and consistent enforcement go a long way in preventing conflicts before they escalate. When homeowners and associations work together, neighborhoods remain welcoming, attractive, and valuable places to call home. However, conflicts with homeowners can quickly get out of hand, which may require a lawyer to secure a fair resolution.
Hello, I'm Ben Hamilton with Hamilton & Associates. If you serve on a HOA board and are facing compliance issues with a homeowner, please don't hesitate to contact us to help resolve these matters effectively. Thank you and have a great day.